Hello students, welcome to CBSE Science series. Today we are going to learn about introduction of the first chapter, that is electric charges and fields. In our daily life we see a spark, we hear a crackle sound when we take out the synthetic materials which is folded and kept for a long period, and we see lightning during the thunderstorm, and we also feel electric shock while opening the door of a car, while holding the iron bar of a bus. What is the common reason for all these experiences? It is because of discharging of electric charges through our body. Because our body is a good conductor of electricity, so electric charge discharge through our body, and these charges already accumulated in that substances. How these charges already accumulated in that substances? It is because of rubbing. All the substances contains equal numbers of electrons and protons. After rubbing, some electrons transferred from one substance to the another substance, means there is change in the number of electrons. If the substance gets more electrons, it becomes negatively charged. If the substance loses electrons, it becomes positively charged, because the electron count is less compared to the proton count, so it becomes positively charged. And this material is known as the electrically charged or electrified after rubbing, because there is change in the number of electrons after rubbing, so it is called electrically charged or electrified substances. And these substances show some attractive repulsive force, because these charges cannot pass through that substances. It's an insulating substance, so it cannot allow the electric charges to pass through it. So these charges remains on the surface of that insulating substances. When it is in contact with the conductor of electricity, these charges pass through that conductors. So these charges show some attractive repulsive force, and it is called static electricity. That is the property of the rubbed substances showing attractive repulsive forces known as the static electricity or electrostatics. Static means stationary, rest position. Electro means electrons. The static electricity or electrostatic is nothing but rest position of the electrons. So this is what we are going to learn in this chapter, that is rest position of the electrons, rest position of the charges, and its properties like forces, about the electric field and potential. This is what electrostatics, this is what introduction of the first chapter. Thank you.